Hi everyone, welcome to my first ROM overview. Before I begin, I'd like to please ask all of you to leave any feedback or suggestions in the comments below so that I can implement them in my future reviews. Alrighty, so let's get started. Today we're looking at the ROM MIUI V4 ICS for the Samsung Galaxy S2. Now, this ROM MIUI is currently one of the most popular Android ROMs for its stability, battery life, and high customizability. So I'm currently using a customized version of this ROM called SII MIUI, as I found this to be the most stable and smoothest version. The link to it is in the description below. So, as you can see, I'm currently running it on the SII kernel. Let's have a look at the launcher itself. It is very smooth, as you can see, and you can change the transitions into many different types of animations. So the effects, let's have a look at the cube. As you can see, it is very smooth and works very well. And the phone app looks beautiful, and the texting app is also very nice. The keyboard works very well. It's responsive and it is fast. The browser is also snappy. Let's wait for it to sign in for us, and let's go to google.ca. As you can see, it loads pretty fast, but I prefer to use the Dolphin browser simply because of this home screen here. I find it very easy to go to any of the websites that I have favorited, and I find it to be a little bit faster than the stock browser that is included ROM. The contacts are here, and they're very well laid out after I have added them. And there's lots of different apps that you can get that are included in this that are very interesting. So let's have a look at the compass. It's as you can see, the design is very sleek and it works really well. And of course, the lock screen is one of my favorite parts of this ROM. So there's many different types of lock screens that we can add onto it. This is the default one that comes with it, which is the 4-way lock screen, where you can go to the phone, the SMS, camera, or unlock it. And there are many different types of lock screens. So this is the theme app, where you can choose many types of themes that you can download online or on XDA. And here is where a lot of the customizability is shown. You can change the lock screen, clock, status bar, how the texting app looks, pretty much anything that you're looking for. So let's have a look at a different lock screen. And this is one of my favorite ones here. It's called Unfold, and this is what it looks like. I find that pretty neat. Okay, and there is also a torch that you can put in by holding down the home button, and you have the torch. There are many different widgets that you can add on to the home screen by simply pressing the menu button and going to edit widgets, and these are all the widgets that come with it. And of course, you can add your own. So let's just put on one. Let's say we put on this one, and there you go. That's what it looks like. And as we can see, there's lots of different apps that you can put on it, and it doesn't bog down because this ROM is customized and tweaked for performance. And we can have a look at the Notes app, and you can even have this on the home screen itself. And one of my favorite parts about this ROM is also the backup app, where you can back up your entire ROM and even the location of the icons. So whenever you update to a newer MIUI ROM, all the icons stay in the exact same location and all your apps and data are stored. So there is no moving around of the icons that you have to do. Everything is done for you. And here's another thing. There's of course the ability to turn it into, to move icons into folders, which I'm told that some ROMs cannot do, but this does it very well. And you can just open it up and name it. Now, one thing you might have noticed already is the fact that the theme is very light compared to most ice cream sandwich ROMs. It is very light colored, and the theme is here, as you can see, it's mostly white with orange text and for the highlights. And this is something that I really enjoy. It's a little bit different than most ICS ROMs. It gives a little bit of a lighter feeling, which is something that I enjoy, which is in contrast to the darkness of most of the other ice cream sandwich ROMs. Here we can have a look at the File Explorer, which is very neat. It organizes them into all these different types of file types. The music app is also very, very, very good looking. So we can play songs, we can find all these songs here, and the UI is just very good. The camera UI is just the default ICS camera app. I will accept that. There we go, everything runs well. And of course the GPS works really well as well. And so there you have it. This is a quick overview of the ROM MIUI. For the questions, please leave them in the comments below. As I've already said, this is one of my favorite ROMs because of its stability, smoothness, and huge customization options. And it also strays away from the dark themes of most ice cream sandwich ROMs, and it is much lighter, which is nice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future reviews. Thank you for watching.